Alam mo ba na merong paraan para laruin lahat ng PC games mo sa phone, tablet or sa TV basta connected kayo sa isang Wi-Fi o network? Sa video natin ngayon, ipapakita ko kung paano gawin to. Ang app na gagamitin natin is Apollo and Artemis. Isang fork ng Sunshine and Moonlight app. Ibig sabihin, base sila dun sa Sunshine and Moonlight na pang game stream din. Baka naiisip nyo, bakit fork pa kung pwede naman yung pinaka-base yung gamitin? Ito kasing Artemis and Apollo, mas maraming feature. The best one ay yung mas madaling custom resolution para ma-full screen yung desktop nyo sa device na gamit nyo. If you are using iOS or Windows as client, you can use Moonlight and Sunshine combo. Dahil yung Artemis ay for Android lang for now. Their setup is mostly the same lang naman. Ito yung mga apps na gagamitin natin. First is yung Apollo para sa PC na gusto natin kontrolin. The next one is yung Artemis para sa Android device natin. Ida-download muna natin yung Apollo para sa gagamitin natin na PC. Just go to this GitHub at i-download yung latest release. After download, just open yung file at install yung application. Then, common installation procedure. Just click next and continue until installed. After installation, i-open lang yung Apollo. If you are greeted by this message, click nyo lang yung advance at accept risk. Ngayon naman, gagawa kayo ng sarili nyong account. Just create a username at password for this app. Ngayon naman, magla-login lang kayo using the account you just created. I think isa sa mga sections that you would be interested ay itong application tab. Dahil dito ka naglalagay ng mga apps na gusto mong dumiretso ng open. Pero this is not required to run your games. Sa device naman tayo kung saan nyo gusto mag-stream. Here, ida-download natin yung Artemis sa GitHub page nila. Just find the latest release at i-download. After download, open the file at install. Just note na dapat enabled yung announce sources for it to be installed. Also, if you encounter this kind of error at di na-install, go to Play Store, Profile, Play Protect, Settings, at i-disable itong scan apps. After installation, i-open lang yung Artemis and most of the time makikita mo na yung PC. Click nyo lang yung PC, tapos may lalabas na 4-digit pin. I-enter mo lang to sa pin section ng Apollo sa PC. If you are planning to connect more device, remember to check lahat ng sa inputs at launch apps sa newly connected device dahil hindi nito makokontrol yung PC kung hindi to i-enable. For playing games in full screen, kung kaya ng network nyo, you can play in full resolution by going to Settings, Video Resolution, Native. But of course, kung hindi kaya ng network nyo, magre-result sa stutters yan. If you want to play in a lower resolution, alamin nyo yung resolution ng device nyo by going to GSM Arena. Tapos, i-enter nyo dito yung resolution. Ngayon, select kayo ng mas mababa sa native resolution nyo. Yung selected resolution nyo, i-input nyo sa Artemis by going down sa custom resolution. Baliktad dapat yung pagkaka-input. After that, select nyo lang yung custom resolution sa video resolution. The final step is gawing main display yung phone. First, connect ka sa PC using virtual desktop. After connecting, right-click sa desktop, display settings, at iselect yung display na nasa phone nyo. After that, click make this my main display. To play the games, i-open nyo lang yung game as you would sa PC. If you want to type using keyboard, just use 3-finger tap at lalabas yung keyboard. If you are using it on TV, you can long press the start button para ma-emulate yung mouse with the controller. A button for left click at B button for right click. I would also recommend to check yung touchscreen mode at iselect yung desired way nyo para makontrol yung mouse. Yung sa akin, ito. The great thing about this is yung latency, na very small lang at makakapaglaro ka pa din ng maayos, assuming that connected yung PC with wired connection. Playable naman siya wirelessly, but might stutter for some. All games na nagsusupport ng controller will work with this setup. So yun lang guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you again next time.